Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. During our today's tutorial I will show you how to combine watercolor painting all together with floral stems, and we're gonna paint and create beautiful composition. I hope you are ready, and if so, let's go! Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's tutorial we're gonna learn how to paint lovely postcard with florals, and I'm gonna use my two brush sets for Procreate. Well, I'm gonna use my true watercolor brush set, and the other set that I will use is called Flowers, and thanks to this brush set we don't need to paint actually flowers, we already have them like that. And I will show you how to create lovely composition with florals and watercolor stem brushes. I'll show you how to do that, and they're here. Yep. So let's start. And I just want to play around and add florals and place them in a different way. Uniform. And I don't paint on the center because in the center we will have our stem brush and some other flowers. After that, merge it together, create one more layer. And we have tulip here. Let's think where we want to place it. Maybe somewhere here, like that. Now we will merge it together, create one more layer on the top, and we're gonna go and switch to my true watercolor brush set. And now we need to grab a stem brush that we like most and that might be suitable. So I'm gonna write to my dear friend or something like that. You don't need to grab actually black color, you might grab dark blue color. Actions, add text. And here you might write tap A and think about the style that you have. Go to fonts and choose the font that you like most. And I'm gonna change the color because as for me I think it's too bright, too black. So I'm gonna go switch to dark purple color, like that. Yeah, to my dearest friends. The other thing, what else you might do, you might add more stem brushes, and that might help you to create more dimensional look. Go grab purple color, go to true watercolor brush set, and think about the stem brushes that you like, that might be suitable. It can be like that, and after that, my suggestion, I want to place this part a little bit here, like that. So I don't want to overlap with our stem brushes, I don't want to place them somewhere on our florals, so I simply can put it here. And now it's better, way more better, looks way more better. Merge it together, create one more layer. Stick to this color, and after that you might just place it like this. The other options, you might merge together, create one more layer. Let me go to my Pro set, and here I have watercolor bubble. I might add some bubbles. Let's return to blue color. And add bubbles like that. Also, if you want to have brighter color, if you want to emphasize our leaves you see here, you might just simply duplicate the layer. I like it. We'll merge it together and merge together with the rest. So now we have our lovely postcard. And guys, I hope you like that one. And guys, in the end, I want to show you one tiny example what else you can do in order to create postcard and make it unique. So I will turn off our layer. I will create one more layer on the top. After that, I will go and grab red color and grab stamp brush. And after that, I will increase it like that. So in the center, we have stamp brush. After that, we create one more layer on the top. Tap 2 times, grab white color, and in our layers, I want to press clip and mask. It means that now we can paint just on our area of the stamp. After that, I go to flowers and grab first blue flower one. Yep, like this. So as you see, our flower doesn't go beyond the stamp and it looks just cool. And I want to duplicate that 3 times, make it more saturated, and after merge that together and merge together with our stamp brush. So you also might create something like that. Some other stamp, maybe like that. Create one more layer on the top, what we did before. Tap 2 times, grab white color, press clip and mask, and go to our florals. And now you might grab another floral, maybe this lily. Maybe make it smaller, slightly bit. Duplicate that 3 times, and now we have lily in our stamp, and once again it looks just cool. Once again, you might make it bigger, like somewhere here, because once again we have lots of other florals color. Grab some other flowers, we have plenty of them, maybe this one. And wait, guys, be careful, you need to paint on a new layer, clip and mask, merge that together like that. And I think I want to merge my previous layers together. Duplicate that 3 times, merge together and merge together and merge together. And I will grab, I think, a couple of new other stamp brushes, true watercolor. Think about, maybe I will grab this purple color. And I want to have this stamp. Maybe I even flip it like that. Flower set, and I want to have rose. Once again, one more layer, press clip and mask, and now we have rose here. Duplicate that 3 times, merge together and merge together and merge together. And the last stamp, I want to place it here. Think about the stamp. Okay, I think this one would be great if you place it in this area like that. And on the top of this stamp, we will create one more layer and press clip and mask, white color, florals, and I want to place those flowers like that. Duplicate that 3 times, merge together and merge together and merge together. And ta-da! So I'm gonna go and grab Procreate. Just tiny bit. You might deselect it if you like, you can make it less visible. The other thing, you might go to our layers, tap curves layer, and you might play with saturation, opacity, make it brighter, lighter, whatever you like. Okay, we have one more postcard that we created. Return to our florals, grab rectangle, that, 3 fingers down and press cut. So now we have white spot in this area. My suggestion, grab, I don't know, like purplish color and add text. Place it here. Ta-da! So we have second postcard. Guys, if you want to share with me your own artworks, your own postcards, you might do that. You might tag me on Instagram and I will be happy to give my own feedback. And let's see each other in a new tutorial. Bye bye!